Good morning guys, this is a little preview of the video of today. I made this painting and I did an injection pour. First I tried with different colors, didn't work out for me because I only used Vallejo. It's very high pigmented and these cells were too messy for my taste. So I poured over it, I scraped the part, thought to keep another part, but I couldn't keep a part. Well, doesn't matter guys, just check out how I made this. Okay, there's already white on the canvas and I'm using blue colors today. And they're all from the brand Vallejo. And let's do some injection. This is Prussian blue. Let's go in with this ultramarine. A little bit of turquoise. Fluo blue, like that, and bronze. Okay, I'm gonna pour white around this and then inject it with white. Let's blow the air bubbles out. So this time I'm not gonna blow the white over the colors, but I'm gonna go immediately because there's already a lot of white in the puddle. Okay, there's that Prussian blue, so that's really under the colors. I really like the softness here, but here it's way too messy. This is pretty here. Yeah, this blue are selling up a lot, but they're not giving very pretty cells. You know what? What am I gonna do? This is not nice here. Let's get that off. I'm just gonna start over again. So let's see. Let's start with this color. Let's do some violet in here. A little bit of this Prussian. Okay, I'm gonna inject it again. Some white around this. Yeah, I'm losing this part. That's okay. I really like the softness it creates.